Hi students, this is Suchya SST teacher, and now I am about to teach you the 11th chapter of class 8th history, and the name of the chapter is The Making of the National Movement 1870 to 1947. In the previous 10 chapters, you read about the advent of the Britishers in India as traders, how they conquered India, and what were the changes which were brought about by them in the social, political, economic and religious fields of India. What did the Indians feel about the coming of the Britishers, and especially about the reforms which were done amongst the women and in the caste. Then the revolt of 1857 and the after effects of the revolt of 1857. But now comes in the time when we start with true nationalism in India. When the feeling of oneness, when the feeling that we must attain independence had become strong in India. The time when Indians had actually mobilized themselves, they had gathered momentum to gain independence from the Britishers. So, in this chapter we will be dealing about, first of all, the spread of nationalism in India. To start with, at this period of time, the Indians started asking themselves who they were and why were the Britishers ruling India and why were the Britishers doing all kind of atrocities on them. Why could the Indians not attain independence? Why could the Indians not start ruling themselves? And that feeling of oneness, togetherness, unity and of achieving independence became stronger at this point of time, which led to extreme nationalism in India. After that feeling of self-identification, self-awareness came in the group association. That is, when people started gathering together and they started telling each other that they felt the same as others and they must attain independence. So, the second important feature of the spread of nationalism in India was the formation of political associations in India. It was for the first time in India that certain political organizations were made and which aimed at attaining independence. The name of these sabhas or these associations and organizations were, the prominent amongst them were the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, the Indian Association, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, the Bombay Presidency Association. All these wanted free, secular, sovereign India. That is, they wanted that now Indians should become all independent by themselves and must gain independence from the British Raj.